I was on Big Boss, the first season, I pulled off a shift of 36 hours.
Hi guys, what's up? કેમ છો બધા? You guys?
All good?
All good?
Yes.
All good? I'd also like to welcome all the audiences for Baatcheet Season 1 Episode 1. This is going to be our new podcast series जहाँ पे हम लोग बातें करेंगे और बातें किससे करने वाले हैं आज हम श्रेय भाई?
So today we have Vandana with us, Vandana Pandit. She is a media professional, anchor model. She has been the creative producer of Big Boss and has also worked with brands like Cadbury, Flipkart, and recently Audi. So like you have a very vast portfolio,
Yes,
and you have been like you are based from Mumbai and now you are in Vadodara.
that's right.
So how you ended up in the industry? You are in the industry since like a long time. So how you ended up in this industry?
So, my parents, by the way, did not want me to enter the industry at all. They thought,
That's a surprise.
yeah, I mean, isn't it? I think most Indian parents have this thing, na, कि doctor, engineer, या फिर MBA. So I was in college and I had this कीड़ा in me कि मुझे entertainment industry में काम करना है. When I was in my second year, I took up an internship in an upcoming channel, and then there was no looking back. It started off as an internship. I kept on working, and and it didn't stop there. So that's how I entered the industry.
Nice. So, like when we were looking at your profile, right, you have been working with news and like news anchors and Big Boss and all other things. So, what are the differences or the nuances when you go on a show like Big Boss or when you go on hosting something on a news TV channel?
One thing I'd like to say is that working on shows like Big Boss or any show, I mean, you guys are also from this field, so I'm sure
Kind
you
of,
will
yeah,
understand what
wannabe.
I'm saying. It's extremely exciting. Your adrenaline is constantly pumped up. Everyone's very energetic, and the intention or the purpose to create a good show for the audience, I think that just makes it a very exciting and a very lively sort of a profession. So I don't think मतलब वो कहते हैं ना कि अपने काम में कोई बोर हो जाता है, कोई मोनोटनी होती है. मुझे लगता है एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में मोनोटनी नाम की चीज नहीं होती, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो आई हैव हैड अ वेरी enjoyable, of course it's really crazy in terms of working hours, in terms of the hard work that you put in. I won't deny that. But I feel it's really worth it. I mean, I've had a blast.
So like we have seen your profile as you told. So you have a very vast experience. So you when you shifted to Vadodara, like how many years before, like before how many years you shifted here?
I have been here since 2009. But
Okay.
it's like वो एक पैर बॉम्बे और एक पैर बड़ौदा में चल रहा है काफी
So
टाइम.
so how is your experience with Vadodara? Like you have been into the field in the in Vadodara as well.
Yeah, that's right.
So what is your experience with the this city and
How are both the industries different? Is there an industry in Vadodara to begin with?
Yes, there is an industry in Baroda. I have had a chance to work here as well. And of course, the magnitude is different, the scale at which things are done. Obviously, Bombay is where the meat of, work exists. Having said that, I do feel like Baroda has a lot of talent, a lot of potential. In fact, when I moved here,
Thanks.
yeah, of course, I mean, you guys are doing such good work too. So when I moved here initially, I didn't know what to expect, right? Coming from Bombay, and I started teaching at the MS University in the Mass Comm faculty to postgraduate students. I was teaching the subject television production. So when I met these students and I interacted with them, and through my time with them, I realized that they were very talented, extremely, I mean, way more than what I expected. And today, a lot of them are doing really well. Like some of them are in Bombay, some of them have started something here. So my experience here has been good. I did not expect it back then, but I have nothing to complain about. It can't be compared to Bombay. It will be unfair, but it's been good.
So I like this in this day and age of social media. I have seen many people जो ऐसा एक दो reel बनाते हैं and they feel that they are now a good actors
Yeah.
and they jump into the industry.
Yeah.
और बहुत सारे वो myths
Yeah.
होते हैं लोगों के मन में
हाँ,
अगर
हाँ,
अगर मैं एक एक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ आज
हाँ,
तो what is my journal to be an actor?
yeah,
I'll make a couple of reels.
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
share it to so many people.
yeah,
और फिर मुझे लगेगा कि मैं एक्टर बन गया.
yeah.
So being a part of this industry, what are some myths that you want to break?
I think the biggest myth, like you said, is that you need a little preparation. किसी भी काम में मुझे लगता है प्रिपेयर किए बिना अगर आप उसमें घुस जाओगे, अगर आपका लक बहुत स्ट्रांग है तो शायद आप सक्सेसफुल होगे, बट मोस्ट टाइम्स प्रिपरेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इट्स नॉट एज सिंपल एज आप रास्ते में चल रहे हो, किसी ने आपको स्पॉट कर लिया
Hey, you
और
look nice. Come
प्लीज
on.
come in. No, it doesn't work like that. You know, it's a process. You need to get a good portfolio shoot done. You need to work on your your grooming, fitness. You need to sort of work on your communication. Just being an actor is not just about looking good, or being a model is not, oh, I look good, I can, I can go places. If you really want to grow and go places, then preparation is important. That is the biggest myth. And the second myth, also people feel very scared of getting into the industry. They feel कि पता नहीं मतलब क्या है, कैसे लोग हैं, काफी चीजें myths होते हैं, like you said. So let me also debunk this myth that no, it is quite organized. There is a process. There are casting agencies, there are casting directors, there are agencies that actually want to cast good, talented models or actors for projects, so that their project, shines through. So it's an organized process, and once you understand that process, it just becomes easy for you to get the kind of work you want to do.
Right. We talked about myths. What are some, as a, you have been into industry for a long time, like
Yeah.
we know. So what are some things that you would like your past 5 years version to know? And don't make this mistake, bacha.
Yes, definitely. I mean, I think we all have, not regrets, but how we look back at our younger selves and we kash ye nahi kiya hota, ye kiya hota. So, just like I said, when I started off, and if you see my first portfolio pictures, I mean, you guys will be like, like what were you thinking, पर वो मैंने अपने आप से जो मुझे समझ आ रहा था उस टाइम पे, मैंने फोटोग्राफर चूज करके अपने आप कुछ ना कुछ स्टाइलिंग करके वो फोटोग्राफी जो मैं किसी को नहीं दिखाऊंगी आज क्योंकि वो बहुत ही एम्बैरेसिंग है. तो आई विश मैंने उस समय थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस लेके या किसी से हेल्प लेके मैंने अगर और बेटर पिक्चर्स ली होती तो शायद आई वुड हैव सेव्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज दोस पिक्चर्स डिडंट गेट मी एनीवेयर. Another mistake I think that I probably made was not a mistake, but I wish I knew the I knew of the right agencies and the right people to connect with, because that wastes again a lot of time. You're going from one to the other, you're just lost. So I wish that अगर उस समय right time right person होता तो शायद टाइम जो एक इफेक्टिवली आप आगे बढ़ते हो वो शायद हो पाता
Right.
मेरे हिसाब
So
से.
you are saying कि you had to figure out things on your own.
Yes,
Yeah, you
yes,
jumped
yes.
and then you had to
Yes,
make the plane.
yes,
So
yes.
what if someone like me or him or the person behind the camera wants to get into the industry?
I feel like I have so much to share. Like, I really have been thinking on these lines. And last year, when my Audi ad came out, I did have a lot of people even inquiring with me कि कैसे मिला, कैसे हुआ. तो तब I found myself repeating it over and over. नहीं, ये process है, ऐसे करना होता है, ऐसे करना होता है. तो फिर मेरे मन में आया कि क्यों ना मैं एक वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट करूं, जिससे कि जो मुझे बताना है वो मैं तरीके से एक प्लान बताऊं जिन लोगों को भी इंटरेस्ट है. और लाइक आई सेड, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ faith and lot of belief in Baroda. I feel like we do have a lot of talent, a lot of people wanting to take it to the next level. So I have planned a workshop talking about the ways you can prepare yourself to enter the industry, to be on camera, and a roadmap ahead. So it can just make the process easy.
Give me a sneak peek of the first lesson.
The sneak peek, उसके लिए
Yeah.
तो आपको workshop पे आना पड़ेगा.
Workshop पे आना पड़ेगा.
लेकिन of
We
course
have
I'd love
dates
to.
and time right now.
Yes, it's on the 24th and 25th of August, 10 to 5 p.m. here in this city.
Vadodara, that is.
Yes.
We'll be sharing the details in the description as well.
Yes, thank you so much.
Mhm.
But sneak peek, of course, I would love to share. I'm so excited, I can't not talk about it. We'll be basically working at making our participants a complete 360-degree package, जिसको कहते हैं कि right from how to style. So we have a stylist who's worked in Mumbai. She's worked on Netflix web shows and lots of ads. She will be talking about how you need to dress. Not just to be on camera, but generally, जब आप शुरू कर, you need to look a certain way, right? Like when you enter into a room, people should not wonder कि जैसे जब मैं when I was working back
Thanks
then.
for that lesson. You need to look a certain way.
I
I'm
mean-
not standing up in Crocs
No.
now.
I mean, come on. My point is that when you're, when I was working back then, and we would have, in Bombay, it's like a lot of people just walk into offices to give pictures into media houses and stuff. So कितनी बार ये comment मैं सुनती थी, कोई आता है, अच्छा ये इसको बनना है, ये actor बनेगा, simply because उसकी जो एक personality है, उसने जो जिस तरह से अपने आप को present किया, वो नहीं match करता है. तो you should ideally be dressed in a way that when you walk in, someone should be like, oh, okay, we need to check this person's profile. कुछ तो होगा इसमें. So, right from your dressing to your styling to your communication, not just on camera but off camera also. आप casting agency से बात करते हैं, आप director से बात करते हैं, किस तरह से आप अपने आप को present करते हैं, and how you go about auditions are also extremely important, and thanks to COVID now all the auditions happen on WhatsApp, like you just need to send it on WhatsApp, right? तो उसका क्या etiquette है, तो ये सारी चीजें हम वर्कशॉप में बताएंगे. बट द मोस्ट, आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट giveaway of this workshop is that we are going to be doing a photo shoot for every participant. So they are going to be getting a first hand professional photo shoot experience, and they get to take the pictures with them.
Great.
And we will also be sharing names and contacts of casting agencies and casting directors, so they can literally like start.
It's a giveaway, yeah.
They
for
can
a
literally
head start.
start sending out pictures.
So when is this happening? 24th and
24th
25th
of August. Yes.
Nice. I'll definitely come there.
Yes, I would love to
हाँ.
see you. Like, absolutely. Why not?
So one last question to sum it up, that you have been there in like for such a longer time, and still you are like following your passion.
Yes.
How much is it important, or how much difficult it is to like follow your passion, keep on working?
You know,
Yeah, because we all are here because of our passion.
yes.
We organize events, we
Yes.
call musicians, poets, and
Yes.
everyone. And main thing about it is this whole thing, this artist hub is pure
Yes.
passion.
Yes. Of
So
course, yeah.
how much is it important to just stick on what you are doing? कितना जरूरी है उसको?
ज़रूरी तो बहुत है, and I think because we are a creative bunch of people who love entertaining and who love creativity, I think it's safe to say that once you love doing something, then it doesn't become difficult. Right? It's like वो कहते हैं ना, once you taste blood, then you just crave for it more and more. So I think that is something that just keeps me like going, and keeps me wanting to just get into it more and more. So yeah.
So a good day or a bad day, how much it affects the next day?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
So I didn't get it.
So you had a very good day at your set,
Yeah.
or you had a very bad day.
Yeah.
Two like contrasting days you had.
Yeah.
How much does it affect your next day? Does it affect the passion?
Oh no, not at all. Not at all. Not a bad day can be a very very bad day also. But I think for the love of
What's the worst experience you have had? Like, tell us your baddest day.
when we were doing when I was on Big Boss the first season, and the show was launching, the first day of the launch, and half of our team members got sick. खाने में कुछ गड़बड़ थी, food poisoning हो गया. More than half of our unit was being rushed. यहाँ पे launch चल रहा है और यहाँ पे like people are rushing to the hospital. It was like that. So because we were half of what our strength was, I pulled off a shift of 36 hours
Oh, 36
Yes.
hours.
non-stop on set because the show must go
Go
on.
on. Yes, the
Nothing
show must go
stops.
on.
So I think that was one experience I will never forget. It was मतलब मैं उसके बाद कैसे क्रैश हुई और कैसे, बट हार्ड वर्क तो है और ऐसी चीजें होती हैं एंड शो नहीं रुकता है, आपको लगे रहना पड़ता है, कभी कभी फिजिकली एग्जॉस्टिंग होता है, तो वो मैं कभी भूलूंगी नहीं. Never forget that. Yeah.
Amazing. So yes, thank you for being a part of our new series Baatcheet. We'll be sharing the details of the workshop in the description as well as to the people who
आप भी एक बार और बता दो.
एक बार वर्कशॉप के बारे में एक शाउट आउट दे देते workshop.
Yes, so guys, should I shout out to
Yes,
you guys?
to the audience.
So guys, please, if you are a budding actor, anchor, model, or even a social media influencer, then this workshop is for you. It's happening on the 24th and the 25th of August here in Baroda. We're going to be talking about a lot of elements like communication, styling, auditions, acting, and give you a professional photo shoot experience. We will be sharing details of casting agencies and directors, so you can literally kickstart your career after the workshop. So do register.
Do register, guys. Do subscribe our channel also.
Yes.
Do follow us on
The
Instagram.
Artist Hub.
The Artist Hub. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
being a
much
part
Thank
of
you
the
for
show.
having me, guys. Thank you so much.